Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to turn off tunnel vision and a snap rotation in Roblox VR. So after opening up Windows, you have to head to the search panel. From here type Roblox player, then click on open file location. Now right click on the shortcut again, then go to open file location yet again. Now from here you have to head back to this Roblox folder. In here you will find the global basic settings. You have to right click on it, click on open with, then use a notepad to open this file. So after you have opened up this file, you have to head to the bottom of this file. From here, firstly, make sure that VR is enabled. So VR enabled will have true besides it. Then, in order to turn off snap rotation, you have to head to the VR third person follow cam enabled. You have to set it to false. Then in order to turn off the tunnel vision, you have to go to the vignette enabled and turn it to false as well. So click false beside it. After you have turned these off, click on the file, then click on save. Now the file has been saved, and now when you play on Roblox VR, you will not have the snap rotation and tunnel vision problem again. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.